Khoubez Kimaaj. Pita or Arabic bread. A bread from Israel. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Dissolve sugar in the water, add yeast and let stand for 10 minutes. Add salt to flour and mix. Pour the yeast mixture over the flour and mix thoroughly. If you find it too sticky, add more flour. Step 2. Sprinkle a handful of flour on the countertop and knead dough until smooth and elastic, about 5 minutes. Form into a longish shape and pat with vegetable oil. Step 3. Divide into 6 pieces, each about the size of a grapefruit. If you want loaves to be smaller, then by all means divide into 8 to 10 pieces, knead each individual portion with the palm of one hand, shape it into a ball and lay on a tea towel. Place a quilt on a table. Cover with another tea towel with a fresh, clean for about 20 minutes, leaving half the quilt and half the sheet hanging down. Step 5. Sprinkle the working surface lightly with flour and lay one of the dough balls on it. Using a rolling pin, roll out in all directions until dough is 1/4 inch thick. Step 6. Lay dough on the quilt, cover with the rest of the sheet and the rest of the quilt. Let rise for 2 hours in warm weather, or for about 5 hours in wintertime. Step 7. Warm up large tray in a 500 degrees Fahrenheit oven. Place the loaves, 2 at a time, on the tray and bake on the second rack from the bottom. Bake for 4 minutes or until the bottoms are golden brown. CountryReports. Culture add color to the tops of the loaves.